In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add jitter effect on your video on CapCut. But before moving on to that, scroll down and then hit the subscribe button. And after you hit the subscribe button, click on the bell icon so you don't miss out on new videos. Now let's start. First, to add jitter effect on your videos on your CapCut, you need to first open up your CapCut. After you open your CapCut, add the video on your track. After you add the video on the track, don't forget to select it and then go to the effects section right here. After you go there, click on effects and then scroll down till you find the TV option. Now click on TV option and then search for jitters and click enter. There you can see the jitter effect. Click on it and tap on the add to track button, that is a plus sign. After you do that, expand it or how much you want it and then play it to check it. As you can see, there are jitters in my video now. This is the video without jitter and this is the one with it. As you can see, now if I click on the jitter effect, you can see its details, which is not loading up right now. But yeah, that is it. Thank you for watching, guys. This is how you add jitter effect to your videos. Don't forget to like the video and stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.